recently broke my back window. I'm gonna make a video for that because the guy in Brad's Glass has a pretty good video about how to install it. So I got this. It's really not too heavy duty there. If you go to Walmart, it's like 75 bucks, 80 bucks versus 120 something, 140 on eBay. I'm gonna install this. I guess the left and right brackets matter. That's probably why they got them attached to this thing. Alright, I got the instructions. These stupid mountain brackets. Looks like you slide them in there like that, and then turn them, and then the bolt goes through here to here. It just holds it in place. So, left bracket, right bracket, hardware. Let's do it. This bracket's retarded. You're supposed to drop this in here, then somehow feed this into here through this little hole. Yeah. So I just connected it. I'm gonna finagle it in there like that. Strap it in. Looks like the easiest way to me, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. These brackets are real retarded the way they got them. So what I did is I went like that, put pressure on it, and just bolted from the top down. I mean, it's pretty sturdy, not that great. I have enough room to drill a hole through here, put a bolt right down there, and that's probably what I'm going to do to secure it. And as some people noted on the full-size truck, you see, it does partially obstruct the brake light. And if you know that in advance, you could probably put a half-inch piece of metal or something, 3/4 inch piece of metal, and put it here. And I'll probably give you the clearance. But I plan on doing something with lights anyways on the back, so I'm not too concerned with that. Other than that, it should kind of snug up once you it does move, as people said. Probably gonna see how much I can pull it forward and then put bolt in this channel on both sides. I think that's what this plate is for. Instructions didn't say. I'll try to put that under there though, and that should actually keep it secure. Other than that one. But like I said, I think I got it for $74, so this little window right here was $125, so $74, $125. And some people worried about this. It's not that strong, but I mean, it's not gonna stop a paver from going through your back window. But rocks and stuff like that off the lawnmowers, like this one, I never broke a window with that headboard. It's slotted, so I don't like that too much. Probably put some of those extra washers on that right now. Matter of fact, I'll back that out, put the washers on, and I'm gonna drill a hole through here though. And I think it said no drilling, but even the instructions has drill holes. They're talking about drill a hole through the side. I don't know what they're trying to do, maybe something like that or something. I don't know. They said through the side, but they talk about in there.